Let's take a look at the Skin Analyzer tool. Under Discover, select Skin Analyzer. Then you'll see simple instructions to get started and 3 easy steps. Take a selfie, complete the survey, and then review your results. Now let's get started. For best results, make sure you have your glasses off, make sure you're looking into the camera, and of course, accept the terms and conditions. Get ready for your close-up. Allow access to the camera, and there you go. You might have to adjust a little bit, and it's always good to face the light. Now take your brief survey, filling out your age, your skin type, what are some of your concerns. You can see that I'm basically choosing almost everything. And then it's time to analyze and get the results. You can see your photo. It's analyzing the photo in combination to your survey questions. And there you can see it's delivering that my skin is age 40. And you can see all of the areas of opportunity where my skin is either in pretty good shape or where there are areas that I need to improve upon. And of course, by the way, everybody has things to improve upon. So you can scroll and check those individual results out. And then when you scroll below, you'll see that you're first delivered your morning routine, cleanser, your serum, your eye cream, even all the way down to your SPF. If you scroll down, you'll now see your complimentary evening routine. Again, with everything you need from cleansers, eye creams, you can even click in. Let's say that you want to see a little bit more about a product. Click through, read all about the product, and then you can route right back to your skincare results. You'll have an option to either email those skin results, or at the very bottom, you can also even retake the quiz. This Skin Advisor tool is available on avon.com and avon.ca. Enjoy!